Hello and welcome to the video, everybody. In this video we're going to be unboxing and reviewing the HyperX Cloud 2s. Why did I choose this? Well, the thing I like about these is they've got the little auxiliary port that you can plug into like phones and stuff, but yet it's got a little sound card there, and you can plug it in via USB for better quality mic and sound. So they're quite universal, and from what I've heard, they're quite comfortable. So let's get unboxing. Got my scissors. Flip that out. Oh, is this upside down? It is. It is. There we are. Comes in a little box like this. There we are. What do we have here? Just a promotion of other HyperX stuff. There's congratulations on joining the HyperX community, blah blah blah. We've got a quick start guide. And yes, you can actually use these with PlayStation and Xbox, as well as PC or Mac. Are we ready? There's the thumbnail. So, in the box, we have the headphones. Look at that. Look at that. They look pretty good. The vinyl-y leather stuff looks pretty good. We've got HyperX on the top there. What looks to be some aluminium. They seem quite sturdy. Adjustable. These do have plastic things covering the side here, which look to be aluminium or something too. So overall so far, well, it seems to be quite good quality. Let's do a trial fit. Not bad, not bad. Much more comfortable than my Razer Kraken Pro V1s. In the box here, if you don't like the leatherette type cups that this comes with, you also get these fabric ones, which will help your ears breathe a little bit more. Oh, cool, cool. So we've also got a little bag that you can carry it in on your LAN parties and stuff. And oh, the sound card it comes with, which is part of the reason why I bought these. 7.1 surround sound, volume on the mic up and down, volume on the headphones up and down. And it's got a little clip on the back, so you can clip it to yourself, so you don't lose it during gameplay. You know where it is. They're thinking of everything. I like that. And quite a big cable on here too. Again, I like it, I like it. I'm feeling I made the right decision here. We have the microphone that you can just plug in and out, which I'll do for you right now. So the whole rubber cap comes off this, which I'm not sure I'm a fan of. I mean, so many people are gonna lose this. What's the point of even putting a cap on it, really? I thought it might be tethered in there, so you can just pull it up and then plug this in, and then it always stays on, but it's kinda, you know what I mean. Everybody's gonna lose that. But anyway, it's just in there. And boom. You had them as headphones, now you got it as a gaming headset. Testing 1, 2, 3. Bagger bagger. Anybody pick up? These are pretty light. They don't weigh too much. This also comes with one of these little suckers. If you don't know what that is, you haven't been on many planes. So if you wanted to, I mean, like I was telling you before, the reason I got this is it's so universal. Excuse me as I can't get the mic out. It's so universal. You can use it as a gaming headset. then all of a sudden using it on your phone, then all of a sudden, let's come back here, on a plane, then into your tablet, and then PC gaming, get it on that USB. Oh, I forgot to mention, on the side of this little sound card thingy here, let's get in close here, okay? Nice and intimate. You've also got a little mute switch. So if your girlfriend comes in, oh, where'd you put the tomato sauce? You can just mute her. No one needs to hear that. It stops everyone from hearing what doesn't need to be heard. Review time! So, I've been using these HyperX Cloud 2s for about 2 weeks now, maybe 3 weeks. I don't know, time goes so fast these days. Now first of all, let's talk about the comfort of these. Now my ears are quite sensitive, and I find a lot of headphones, I get a lot of ear fatigue, and that's why most of the time I edit my videos with Bose QC35s. These ones over here. Because I find these are the most comfortable to wear on my head for 8 hours plus sometimes. So I decided to edit with these headphones on for, again, 8-ish hours plus, and to my amazement I didn't really get much ear fatigue. My ears weren't hurting like a lot do. I'd say these hurt a little more than the Bose QC35s, but this is a gaming headset. And Bose QC35s are $350 here in Australia compared to the $100-ish I bought these for. But in saying that, these are probably one of the most comfortable headphones I have ever worn for long periods of time. The actual sound quality of the drivers in here is quite good, and with the 7.1 surround sound that you can adjust with this on and off, I do find some games really benefit with the 7.1, some do not. Sometimes music on YouTube can even sound better with 7.1 enabled, sometimes not. So it is very beneficial to have this just like strapped onto your side here. So you don't want 7.1 on? Boom, gone. No 7.1 anymore. Want 7.1? Boom, got 7.1 now. Oh, you want to turn your speaker volume up? Boom, boom. Oh, everybody's complaining that your microphone's too loud in the chat? Boom, boom. Turn it down. And I mean, this also boosts the quality of the sound as well. And then of course, as I was mentioning before, the mute button, always good to have on you. Alright, so let's talk about the quality of the microphone. Testing 1, 2, 3. As you can see here, I'm recording on the HyperX Cloud 2 microphone in OBS here, just so you get a vague idea of the microphone here. Now, most analog microphones on gaming headsets aren't normally that good, but this is probably one of the better of them because it's running analog, but it's going through a digital signal. The sound card sort of boosts that signal a bit and it sounds better. Is it as good as a full digital microphone? No, it isn't. But is it better than most analog microphones? I would have to say yes. Now I've got my Rode NT USB microphone over here. So I'm just going to do a quick switch. Okay, so now I'm recording on the Rode NT USB microphone. Just for comparison, this Rode NT USB microphone is actually worth more than the whole HyperX gaming headset, but this is a digital signal through USB. Again, just for comparison. So overall, I'm actually quite happy. Yes, if you want the best microphone quality, you might have to go a USB digital headset. But then you won't be able to have the functionality of being able to use it on your phone, tablets and everything else. Anyway, thanks for watching this video everybody. Hit that like button if you liked it, subscribe for more videos, and I will see you in the next video.